So here we start the practical number 8. So in this practical number 8, the title of this practical number 8 is write a program in C to perform two-dimensional transformation. So in this practical, this is the header files, that is the include standard input output, console input output, graphics.h and maths.h. Okay, and after that we use the void main function, that is main function in our programming. Then after that here we initialize the graphics driver and graphics mode. Then declare the x, y, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4 coordinates and data type by using data type floating. Okay, and here the a and t parameters are used. Then after that initialize the graphics driver and graphics mode by using the init graph function. Okay, and here we put the path of this our program. Then after that printf function is used, and in this printf function we enter the message like enter the starting point coordinates, and scan by using scanf function we scan these values, that is the x1 and y1 values, that is starting coordinates. Then after that we use the printf function providing the message to user, that is enter the ending point coordinate. Here we send the message to the user, that is enter the starting point coordinate, and here enter the ending point coordinate. Like x2 and y2, by using scanf function we scan these values, that is x2 and y2. User will put this x2 and x1 y1 value and x2 y2 coordinates. Okay, then after that use the printf function like enter the angle for rotation. In this program we rotate our line. Okay, we rotate our triangle, line or rectangle. Okay, any shape of our mathematical shape. Then after that here use the scanf function. By using the scanf function we rotate scan these values, that is we if we wrote 45 degree, if we rotate this line in 180 360 degree, whatever you enter the axis. Okay, so here the scanf function, sorry, not the axis, enter the angles. Okay, so here the use the set color function. By using the set color function we use the set color to original line. Okay, that is the number of the set color is 5. Then after that display the line in our output, that is line xy and x2 y2 coordinate, that is first is xy and the ending coordinates is x2 y2. Then after that we use the out text xy. This is the function of this is the graphics.h header file function. Okay, this out text sy, by using this function we put the x and y coordinates, and at this location we send the message, that is the original line. Means in this x and y coordinate location we put the original line message to our output. Okay, then after that by here we use the our angle equation, that is t is equal to a into 3.14 that is the pi 3.14 upon divided by 180. Okay, 180 degree. So this is the our rotation equation, that is the x3 is equal to x1 into cos of t minus here t equation is t is equal to a into 3.14 upon 180. This equation is this equation is saved in t parameter, and this t is passed to this cos of t and sin of t. Okay, so x3 is equal to x1 into cos of t minus y1 into sin of t, y3 is equal to x1 into sin of t plus y1 into cos of t, x4 is equal to x2 into cos of t minus y2 into sin of t, and y4 is equal to x2 into sin of t plus y2 into cos of t. Okay, then after that we set color the 7. After the rotating the line the set color is 7. Okay, then line is displayed, that is x3 y3 x4 y4, and by using out text xy here we put the x and y coordinate, and sending the message, that is the line after rotation. Then getCH function is used, and here is the output, that is first is the phi set color. So this is the original line, and at this location we put here the original line message. Then after that here we put the line after rotation. This is the line after the rotation we have to display. Okay, firstly user will enter the starting coordinates 50-50, then ending coordinate 100-100, and enter the angle of rotation, that is 360 degree. Then this is the our original line, this is the after line after rotation. Okay, if any doubt in this, please contact me. Thank you so much.